This week's top stories. 12 new locations identified for potential new towns. A new government task force has recommended 12 locations for potential new towns, pledging to begin building at least 3 before the next general election. These could be the first new towns to be designated in the UK since 1945. British Cleaning Council expands on new global hand-washing standards. The British Cleaning Council says that the new WHO global hand-washing standards must be combined with higher standards of cleaning in public spaces to be most effective. World Health Organization data indicates that hand hygiene is one of the most cost-effective health investments. Mitie to install solar carport at Legoland, Windsor. A 1.2 megawatt solar carport is set to generate over 1.1 million kilowatts of electricity annually at Legoland, Windsor. The installation, which will be delivered by Mitie, is predicted to save 195 tons of carbon emissions each year.
For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.